The leaves on this are really soft. I mean, this definitely feels very real to me. Has some nice fine wire inside here. So these are really easy just to maneuver and open up. And then check out the middle of this plant. You can definitely use it on its own. It's gorgeous. It's got the rocks here. You even take some moss and put some moss all the way around it, or you can even add some more rocks if you're gonna add it to another planter. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I added some more rocks here on the outside edge. I just absolutely love this agave plant. I mean, the look of it, the feel of it is just absolutely beautiful. This perfect shade of green and the sawtooth edge just makes this plant look even more real. You can definitely take this outdoors. Just make sure it's not in direct sunlight. And of course, if it storms, you want to bring it inside. The leaves even move like real leaves with just a little breeze here. Finally, I want to thank the brand for sending this to me. I absolutely love it. Wow.